Hey everyone! Welcome back to English Simplified channel. If you watched our last video on essential phrases, today, we're taking it to the next level.
We'll show you real-life English conversations and break them down so you can use them in your daily life. Let's go!
Alright, Max. In this scene, you're the barista, and I'm the customer. Let's see how well you take my order.
Sure. Hi. Welcome to Java Cafe. What can I get for you today?
Hi. Can I get a large iced coffee, please?
Sure. Would you like any sugar or milk with that?
Just a little milk, please.
All right. That'll be $4.50.
Here you go. Thanks.
Thank you. Enjoy your coffee.
Here is the explanation. Can I get? This is a natural way to order food or drinks. Would you like? A polite way to offer options. Here you go. A simple phrase when handing something over.
Well, Lucy, let's move on to scene 2. Asking for directions. It's a friendly street interaction. Okay, Lucy. This time, you're lost, and I'm the friendly local. Let's see if I can help you find your way.
Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the train station?
Sure. Just walk straight for 2 blocks, then turn left. You'll see it on your right.
Got it. Thanks a lot.
No problem. Have a great day.
Excuse me, could you tell me? A polite way to ask for help. Walk straight for 2 blocks. Common way to give directions. Got it. A quick way to say, I understand.
All right, Lucy, let's move to scene 3. Small talk with a new friend. It's a casual conversation.
Now, let's imagine we're meeting for the first time at a party. Let's see how this conversation goes.
Okay. I'll do my best. Let's begin.
Hey. I don't think we've met before. I'm Lucy.
Hi, Lucy. I'm Max. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. So, do you live around here?
Yeah, I just moved here last month. What about you?
Oh, cool. I've lived here for 3 years. How are you liking it so far?
It's great. The people are friendly, and the food is amazing.
I don't think we've met before. A friendly way to start a conversation. How are you liking it so far? A good way to ask about someone's experience. The people are friendly, and the food is amazing. Great way to give positive feedback.
And that's it for today. Now you've seen real conversations in action. Try practicing them and use these phrases in your daily life.
Which dialogue was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun English lessons. See you next time.
If you want to sound even more natural, try imitating the way we speak in this video. Repeat after us and improve your fluency.